What is up YouTube today? Today it's time I renew my homemade lace as I use couple months already. The problem I need to change. This is the bed. The bed I need to change because last time I used the carriage, just put on the bed and I use claims, put both sides like that. And this claim I use 3 bowls, put the other side. When I start to move, I can turning the bowl in and out. So the problem is when I try to cut or milling the big piece of the metal right here, so the carrot just bumpy up and down, so not running that smooth. And the problem is my tool cut, the face not that good, and the tool cut really quickly rough or not sharp anymore because this carrot a bit shaking. So right now I need to do what I need to do. Today I make the small trails, or I can call like the new bed on it. That means I use some part of this. This is the metals. It's a big piece. I cut already, so I cut it. So it's one piece of the metal. So this one I cut both sides, and I cut a tiny side right here also. So right now I got this. So this one, the new bed for my homemade lace that I smooth it. So I cut 2. One is like that. I cut 2. One is long and one is short. This is 90 centimeter and this one are 80 centimeters. I will cut this. And this one, I use this one other iron and I cut like this and shape, but only one I need to cut. I need to make more. This one is a running slide. I hope this one is running much better. And then this one I use this a small piece and I cover like that, and I cover there, and then I put below my carriage over here. So this one I need to change. I want my homemade lace is running perfect, not just for show. I want to take this, I want to make my lace working very good for my homemade, or makes very good for my next project, because next project I can make other machine. So I need this one help me to making other machine. So this one I need to do. So I hope you are enjoy my video, and I hope you are like to see more what happen I do. Please like and subscribe whatever you like it. Thank you very much. Let's see a problem. Let's see a problem. So this is a problem I need to change. Something like that. If I try to use the nut here, this is I need to change here. it's not only one, it's not only one that carries, so this one too. So the 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 headstock is no problem, but I need to change, you know, the body right here because the bearing I put inside is not perfect shape. So I think in the past time I did here, so I used this box, and this box is not running 100% angle or the point, so maybe up and down, left or right, sometime like that. So otherwise I need this, and even the tailstock, even the tailstock. Even tailstock also I need to change here. I need to change here. I want to do much better. And also the gears, also the gear, and the gear also have to change. So the gear I have to change, and the gear I have to change. Maybe turning this one upside down, and the gear control right here. Maybe I change to the center or to the right hand side, because I use the left hand side. The problem is when I milling, when I milling here, so a lot of tiny pieces iron it drop here and then burning my hand. So like this I have to change a lot of things right here. So this is my second time I have to do, or second time I have to renew my homemade lace. But I hope you are enjoy my new my renew homemade lace right here. Thank you very much.